Welcome to the miniature world of Kit and Caboodlers.
We are a mother-daughter team who spend our time searching various places around Britain, such as beaches and woodlands, for old, forgotten treasures.
We then bring these treasures home to create miniatures and dolls for our handmade 1940s sugar box doll's house.
Come along and see what we made this time.
And as always, we hope you enjoy.
Today we are collecting wood for miniature kitchen furniture.
Excellent for a Welsh dresser or shelves.
That's like a side table, yeah, like that.
That's nice. So 3
they're good.
excellent pieces. Almost there's like the Welsh.
Really
There's like the Welsh dresser there, isn't it?
Is that the
Oh, it's another.
yeah. That's perfect. You cut them with scissors.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm not sure this would be much good for the doll's house, but I do quite like it for. Oh, it's got a little pale coloured slug on the underneath. Get rid of you. You're going over here. There we go. You like that? As I was saying, it's just quite nice to present things on. It's a beautiful texture. I've got to stop seeing all the beautiful painted wood. I'm a sucker for a piece of painted wood. No.
Isn't that a good table?
It's a very good table.
Is it too big? We wanted a big table, didn't we? We needed... So long and thin might be good for the kitchen. That looks like a really good kitchen table. I wonder if we could make the sides of the Welsh dresser out of that. Because that would be beautiful. Yeah. So with all the new dolls waiting to be made, our doll's house is getting a little full. So we recently bought a selection of vintage boxes to build some extensions. We've chosen this one for the kitchen and nursery because of its really beautiful painted green interior.
That's a pot.
That's a pot. I'd say that's a pot.
If you put something in it, it could be a saucepan, couldn't it? If you put some food or something in it.
Does that fit on it? Oh, that's a shame. Do we
I'm sure we probably have got one that
Yeah.
will fit on. That looks like the top of an oven to
That's
me.
what I was thinking.
That looks like the perfect top of an oven.
Oh, doesn't that look like it could be a pot of, like, put a lid on it and it looks like,
Maybe it's lodge something.
yeah, lodge, made in England. So yeah, that could be like a sugar pot or something, that sort of thing. So this is the box of things already put aside for the doll's house. We've got some fabrics found at bottle dumps to make cushions and
Sofa.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make a sofa out of this, a purple sofa.
That'll be fun.
A little pie dish, old bottle cap pie dish. Oh, this is what we wanted, a tiny spoon.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Look at that. How cute
That
is
is
that?
perfect.
A big ladle.
Oh, I was going to suggest as like a bowl, but we can make a big ladle.
Big
Hang it
ladle,
on
hang it
the
on the
wall.
wall, yeah. You just need like a metal
What's that? It's going to be a bucket. Need to make a handle for that. It's a little jug. Oh yeah, there's some lids in here. Oh yeah, your little glass. Nursery, kitchen floor.
Go on. Oh. Stick this one down to start with, then we'll come over to fit. Too big a brush? Or just squirt it onto it. It looks amazing. It looks so nice with the green.
There, we've also just added this little piece of wood so it looks a bit more together and solid.
Next time we'll be making an oven and some kitchen paraphernalia.
So we hope you enjoyed our first episode. If you did, please like and subscribe. As it's a new channel, every subscription would really help and really make a difference. So we hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.
And if you want to see us finding any of the things that we made the objects with today, then check out our other channel called Mudlarking with Kit and Caboodlers, where we find all the things. The link is in the description below.